Okay, so I think this is working. I hope it's working. So we're gonna test this out. Oh, and then, oops. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to download videos from, how to download music from YouTube and put it on your media player on Windows. So first we're gonna start by searching media player, and it should have the Windows Media Player Legacy. It's gonna pop up in the corner for me because that's where I last had it. And then this is where I have all of my music right here for my CDs. So we're gonna keep that in the bottom right corner. That's just how I like it. And we're also gonna open our files, and we want downloads. And I like to close everything except for the new stuff. So we're gonna have that in the bottom left corner. I'm actually gonna make that a little smaller. So you are going to go to YouTube, and then I'm just gonna look up the Smiths playlist. Okay. And then I'm going to find a playlist. I'm gonna view the full playlist, and then here's some songs I can use. So the converter, you're gonna look up YouTube MP3 converter, and I like to use this one. They're all kind of sketchy links, but like I use this one. I've used it for like a while, and it works. So we are going to pick a song. I already did that one. I want one that I'm gonna listen to though. Let's just pick a song, pick a random song. Here we go. Instead of clicking the video, click the three dots, click share, and then copy the web link. And then go over to your converter and paste it in. Then you're gonna click convert. And then it's gonna take a minute. So we'll just let that go. While that's converting, you can also start searching for new songs that you want. I just chose the Smiths because I wanted some of the Smiths songs. But it's gonna pop up, and it's gonna pop up like this, and you're gonna hit download. Some random link is gonna pop up, and you're just gonna close it and then go to your files. So having these both up is very convenient because you can take the song you just downloaded, take the song, and you just drag it and drop it and add it to the library. And it should come up under unknown artists. So we just did Heaven, so much fun. And there it is. And that's how you do it. And then it should pop up in, might pop up in various artists, but it should go under the band name or the album. It should go in both. It should go in the album and the band name. So it's gonna be like the Smiths. So when you go to artists, it should pop up. Like, let's see. It says 2. That's because it went under various artists for some reason. So various artists is just like a bunch of stuff. Should be able to edit it and then put it in the Smiths. And then it should go under the Smiths. So, like this one, this should be Radiohead. And then also this one. You just click edit and then you put it under, it'll go under the proper band. This one, Smiths. It doesn't take very long. It's pretty easy. But that's how you do it. And then when you want to burn them, you just go, I usually have music, keep music up so that it will all go down here. But if I want to burn a song, you're gonna just take it, add it to the list. You're gonna just take whatever song. You can take a bunch of songs and you hit start burn, and it takes a little bit, but once I finish burning it, usually I take the list and I click add it to, and then I'll add it to whatever playlist. So I have like Jeff Buckley, like I have all his music, and I have the Wallows. I have my own little mix. I don't know why it didn't pop up, but yep, that's how you do it. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. And that's how you do it. Bye bye.